Hello, little chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are going on a super yummy adventure to make our favorite food ever pizza. Are you ready? Let's take cookie. First up, our pizza dough. Let's roll it out. Nice and flat. Push it to roll. Push it to roll. Great job. Now follow the best part of the sauce. Let's drop our spoon and spread that yummy tomato sauce all over. We just like painting. Next, it's time for cheese. Let's make it rain with delicious gooey cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And for the grand finale, our favorite topping. I love pepperoni and colorful peppers. What are you putting on your our masterpiece is ready. With a little help from my magic oven, we'll bake it until it's golden and bubbly. Look at that, a perfect pizza made by you. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun recipes. Bye bye.